Hi, Janish.
Hi, just give me a second.
Oh, sure.
Hello. Sorry.
Hi, no worries. How are you?
Good. Good for a cold evening here.
Where
How's
are you
it?
from?
Originally from Gujarat, but
Oh,
living in Perth in Australia.
have you seen the post?
Yes, I saw one of them. So the eTrader one that works really good.
Yeah, you tested?
Yes, I just tested it just now. So I think I tried it with the join function and something else. So it's just I didn't try it with the merge function because I
Yeah,
thought,
that's exactly what you meant, right?
yes,
Like even I was confused. You want to aggregate each sections as an array or altogether? I was confused.
yes. Uh, and because I was trying to like what exactly you did, I was trying to figure that out.
Oh,
And
great.
I had the same thing, but instead of merge, I was using join because I thought it was
Oh,
the but yeah. So you in Kolkata or
I'm from Kerala.
oh, okay. But it says you are based
That
in Kolkata.
that's a time zone, right?
Oh, okay.
It shows the time zone. Even for you, it
Okay.
shows Calcutta. So that's why
Oh,
I asked.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay. No problem. And so normally how does the calls work? Is it everyone
Yeah.
joins in or is it
Usually, a few more people join, like Anupma and all. Yusuf they will be joining shortly, I believe. So
okay.
this call is mainly for to teach you how to optimize a scenario. If you have a question, like you have already posted, right? So if
Yes.
you have a question, we'll be sorting that out.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will show you more optimized way to manage scenarios.
Okay.
So how you like how common you work with make automation?
So I've just started a few months back.
Uh-huh.
So I've been building different automations. And then I also moved to N8N a little bit.
Oh, great.
But
So
then
you build
with
any workflows in N8N?
I've built a couple of workflows, not as many as
Great.
yeah, but like I've started building in both,
Uh-huh.
and with this client because they work in more Microsoft, and it then doesn't have that many options
Yeah.
like inbuilt. So then I was like suggested them to use Make instead.
Oh,
Yeah.
great. So you are okay with working with make, right?
Yeah, so I'm okay with working with both. I just
Mm.
yeah, like I like some of the stuff from
Make
N8N
N8N.
and some in Make as well. Like Make is user friendly and it's nice. It looks
Oh,
for a
oh.
client to take over. But yeah, anyways, we've got Marco. Hi.
Hi, Marco.
Hey, how's it going, everyone?
Good.
Going great. How are you?
Wonderful, wonderful. Thanks for asking.
So this is your first time on the call, right? Optimization call.
For me,
Ye-
yes.
For both, I believe.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Usually we have every time we used to have Anupma, Yusuf and all on the call. I think they will be joining shortly.
Okay.
So Janish, you have one more query, right?
Yes.
I thought we'll discuss on call because I just got access to the other scenario.
Yep. So it's in the same scenario.
Uh-huh.
So
Hi, Colin.
Hello.
hey, Colin, nice to meet you.
Hey, Janice.
This is a bit late for you on that end.
Compared to my 2 a.m. finishes last week, this is quite early.
Okay. Uh,
It must be fairly late for you, but obviously you're a few hours behind, aren't you?
I'm still at 8:40, so still 8:40 in the evening. So I just finished dinner and just jumped on. So
That
yeah.
that that doesn't sound like an Australian accent.
It's a mixture of everything. So originally from India, lived in Gujarat, but also lived in Africa for a
Any
while.
UK? Is there UK in there?
No, lots of British people in Perth, so that rubs off, I guess.
Oh, right, right.
So mixture of things, yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
Jenny, you can share your screen and presentation.
Okay, let me share.
Hello, hi guys.
Hello,
How are you?
doing good.
Okay, we
Shireen has
have
solved one of
Janish.
my issues, so I'm very happy.
Okay. Hi Colin. Hi Marco.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, hi.
Hello,
Actually,
hello.
my camera is not working. Okay. Yeah, how are you all?
Doing well, doing well.
Great.
I was
So we
I was
have
just gonna
all new faces today.
I was just gonna record a video with my latest problem, and I saw that you were live. I was like, oh, all right, I'll just go on and do the live.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll share my screen and then jump in. Okay. Can you guys see that?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
what I'm
Can.
trying to do is basically there's a form from Tally, so it collects, it has different outputs, so that's all the details there. So create a dummy form, but then it creates all the folders, and Shireen just helped me sort out some of the iterator issues. So that's now, instead of me having all four, I can just have one. But what I'm having a challenge is basically this. So I don't know where to paste the values, because normally Google Sheets and stuff has, it shows up like the row numbers or the column numbers, or even as an API, like you can add in details. But in this module, I can't see anywhere where to put any, like, if I get information from my Tally form, where do I add it? So I've not connected the Tally one, but there's nothing like what value references to what
You want to
row.
add a new row?
So I want to add a full column. So the spreadsheet, I'll just, where is it? Okay.
You want to add a column or update a column?
I want to update a column. This is, wait. Okay, so let me just bring up the sheet. So basically, I want to update this column with the values. So
Okay.
what I'm doing at the
What's your
moment
module
is
name? What's your module name?
update a table column, Microsoft 365 Excel.
Oh. Actually, you should use update a worksheet row. Then you will see the rows values over there.
Okay. So, but with the row, I can only add one at a time, right?
It will allow you to bulk update as well.
Okay, so I can do a range. Okay, great.
Yeah.
And so, just out of curiosity, what if it says update a column, it doesn't allow you to update anything?
So it will update the column name.
Oh,
The
it
header.
just
Yeah.
that is amazing. Okay, I'm sorted. Thank you. I will work on the update. Like, I just thought this was one single row and that was a whole column. Great naming convention.
So
Okay.
Jenny, how many hours have you wasted trying to chase that?
That a good 3-4 hours at least, and I gave up.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I was
man.
like, yeah.
I
So it's
feel-
like, you know, updated table column. English is not my first
Yeah.
language, but
I'm totally empathizing with you, as you saw with my chasing the wrong thing for many hours. So
okay, all good, done. Thank you so much. This is really good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll
But
stop sharing.
after investing our time on something, we actually understand uh, the mechanism of that, or we can say like the truth, and it stays in our mind. And if we do not spend time on something and we just get our answer, then we easily have the more chances to forget it.
Yes.
yeah,
Next,
but
So
next time I will
what's
never
that?
forget about updating a worksheet row.
yes. And I believe you're right. We have to learn through suffering, but not
Yeah,
2 a.m. Not 2 a.m. many nights in a row.
right,
So
it is. But yeah, once we suffer, the memory stays longer for that thing
yeah, yeah.
because we have a moment to recall.
Okay. Well, I've been learning lots. Can I have a go now? Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. I will share my screen.
Okay. Before you share, Colin, can we just have a
Yep.
quick introduction about all the two people, Jenish and Marco is here?
Sorry.
Sure.
Can we have a
Let
quick
Marco
intro
go
about the Jenish
first.
and Marco?
Let
I
Marco
beg your
go
pardon.
first.
Yes, sorry, I couldn't see there was more people on the chat, so my apologies. I just only saw.
No worries, no worries. Because I joined late now, so I just want to know who are Jenish and Marco. I'm meeting them first time.
Yeah, sure. Right, I have to change my view because I can't see everyone. Why can't I see everyone? Audio speaker.
I can see everyone.
Okay. According to this, there's only 6 participants, but I can only see 4.
So I think maybe your screen size or
Yeah, I don't know.
click on the view thing. Anyways, Marco, introduce yourself. I've talked enough, and then I'll go after.
Good morning. Yeah,
Sorry,
I don't have my
Marco.
camera on because I'm in the middle of juicing. I forgot that the call was this morning, so I jumped on last minute. But yeah, so I have a trucking logistics business, and I want to join the group because I need help with posting content and automation with content. I have a school group as well, so I came over from Sterling or Southern University. He referred this group, so I joined the group. So I'm mainly looking for automations to help run my school group and post content. Posting content takes a lot of time. So I want to automate that as much as possible, but keep it authentic. So that's what I do. I'm glad to be here. And I haven't jumped into the modules just yet. I watched some videos, but today I'm going to actually start doing my they don't call them snapshots on Make. I forgot what they call them, but the downloads. So I'm gonna start doing it today. And as soon as I have some questions, I'm gonna be putting them in the group.
Okay. So where do you belong, Marco?
I'm in the United States.
From?
You said, where am I? I'm in the United States.
Okay, great. Okay, so how long have you been in the group?
Probably a week now.
Okay, great. So we are meeting first time. Okay. Thank you for your introduction, Mark. And it's nice to meet you. And I hope you will like the school community. And if you have anything, just ping any one of us, Jah, Fasil, Shirin, me. Or you can tag any community member as well that you see, okay, they are most active, like Colin, Yosef, these people are most active. So you can tag them as well.
Yes, appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, now move to Janish.
So I joined yesterday. So I was part of the Facebook group and have used, Jah's videos on YouTube and stuff to build my previous automations and things. The one I really liked was his Google Slides one, which was a good hack. I don't know, that was a long time back, where you can basically use it as placement images. So
That was about Canva.
so it was like it was using Canva, but then it was using Google Slides.
Yeah, it was
Uh,
just a hack for Canva. Like if we are not getting the approval for Canva API, then we can go with the Google Slides as well.
Yeah. So like I've used that for my social media automations for that I've built for a client, where their LinkedIn for images and stuff. Basically, I've set up templates. So,
Okay.
but that was really good. And then so I've started building more stuff for different clients and things, as well as helping businesses going. How do you actually use and leverage AI
So your
tools?
scope of work is automation itself.
So training mainly.
Okay.
So it's going using different tools from ChatGPT to Claude to Notebook LM to whatever their use case is, and then it's to automation later on. But it's starting with the basics because a lot of people still don't use them to the fullest capacity.
Yeah, it's true.
And then when they realize they can automate stuff, but then it's too difficult, as we see by one module taking 3 hours, then they might as well give it to someone else.
Wow.
So thought would join the group. Like obviously you guys helped quite a bit when the Facebook group was active and stuff. So school, I've been part of different groups, but never really engaged. So
Yeah. So you also belong to US, or you are from
no,
India?
I'm in Perth, Australia.
Okay.
So for Marco, it's morning. For me, it's late night or late evening, and for Colin, it is
Colin is
definitely
also
late
from
night.
Australia, right?
Yes, but he's in Queensland, so it's almost 11 o'clock there, I think.
Okay.
For me,
Okay.
it's 9 p.m.
And you mentioned that Claude, and I guess Colin has done mastery in Claude. He is mostly using that, right, Colin?
Sorry, what was that?
You are mostly using Claude, right?
Did you say Claude?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, more use Claude more than ChatGPT.
Yeah,
for
so
sure.
I'm saying that you have done mastery in that.
You're a master in Claude.
I wouldn't say I'm a master, but I'm getting better and better, that's for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that I can see. Okay, so now we are moving to your query, Colin.
Oh, okay. Can I share my screen? I'll share this
Yeah,
is
sure.
let's do it. Let's see if we can make this work. Got it in Chrome. Okay, let's get rid of that. Doing that one. Okay, so literally just so I share. This is 1.2 of the one that you helped me change things around, where can you see me changing tabs?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay. Right. Let me open up I did tag you and Shirin in one earlier on, and I'm not going to cover that unless there's time. But I have a so it's this one. So I believe you were helping me with this one here. And I was asking you, I wanted to run a report. I wanted to, do you remember that?
Yeah.
I wanted to put,
Yeah, I
I wanted
remember.
to put a, yeah. So,
Yes.
but it didn't matter what I tried. Even when I tried everything you suggested, I could not get it to, it still ran a report on just the bulk range, the bulk rows. So it was great that you helped me not have all the individuals, but the report was running just the bulk. So I gave up on that method, and I got some help from ChatGPT. Actually, that was part of my late night, who then told me to do it in a different scenario. So that became this scenario where I now can read the whole report and get the Google Doc, and it worked. It took a long while, but it got it to work. So does that make sense? So we set up, I don't need these anymore. So when I go to 1.1 and 1.2, these are kind of gone because I'm more interested in Airtable. So but just to make sure everyone understands. So this was just put in to make sure that this finishes before this starts. So so there was a set of variable with a timestamp, and then a data store picked up ready and now, and I've since updated that data store, and then it sends a request, or it sends it out, and now this can pick it up. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but the way this was working was so that we could get the updated range. It aggregated to JSON, and then the prompt read the JSON string and created a Google Doc, and it was great. My question is now, so now this scenario, so at 1.2 is we've got Airtable working. So so I don't need Google Sheets. I'm going to keep it for now because it's helpful with the testing, but this is my baby. I want all the data in Airtable. Okay.
Okay.
So my question is, now that this works, if I want to do this part, do I need to do this for Airtable, or is it possible that Open Router can Open Router talk to can it talk to Airtable differently than it can talk to Google Sheets?
You would like to like connect that Airtable in place of Google Sheets as the flow is right now, right?
But sorry, could you repeat that?
Your goal is to just replace Google Sheet with Airtable, keeping the flow as it is.
Right. Let me explain that first of all. Right. When I sent you a message earlier in 1.1, if I show you, so we're now, I've showed you what that is. If I show you 1.1, let me just see if 1.1's got, so that 1.1 is the message I sent you earlier about I've kept them in separate routes, but Google, so that you don't have to answer this one now because I'm not that worried about that one. So this one picks up the array, okay, but Airtable picks up all the fields. So that means so I don't have the array option. So this just gives me, it looks at the aggregator and just gives me 3 operations, which is not what I want. So I have to go down this route but this route gives me, so this gives me all the records, but this is hundreds of records.
Post operations.
More
Post
operations.
operations, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Could you
So,
please zoom out this module?
yeah, I don't want to, this is not my question for tonight, right now. I don't want, can you, I have to change that. No, I'll deal with that later. Primary input keyword. So this is how that looks at the moment. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Could you
so-
zoom in this?
Sorry,
Zoom in this module?
zoom in.
I would like to see the name of this module. What is the name?
It is called create. So
Yeah, yeah.
with this setup, you are actually creating one record at a time. Can you open the module? I'll explain how you can achieve. Actually, you can see the record one, right? So if you hover on the, let me take the control.
Sure. How do you do that?
Okay, I'm just requesting the control.
Oh, yeah. I've just got to grant you permissions. Can you get control, or
I think.
I tried to say yes, but I'm not too sure if I have to change something. Oh, wait a sec. Where's it gone? Is it accessibility? Zoom?
No, no.
Can you do it? Have you got access or not?
No, I didn't. I'll request again, once again.
Just 1 second. Don't touch anything.
Well, then Colin, I would say like this API, you see the notification that it supports 10 records per request. So even if you will use this, you will have to pass the data into batches, into 10 records.
Well, it says that, but it's putting in more than 10 records. It's like hundreds are coming across. So,
Yeah, you can
Does
split it into batch of 10.
oh,
That's-
what
yeah.
to
Yeah.
reduce the operations?
Still
Yes.
it reduces the operation, but it allows only 10 records at a time.
Okay,
So
but that will be
Okay.
more efficient to do it
So
like that. Yeah.
right now you have set up for the first record. You can see the record one, right?
Yep.
It is a collection. So when you hover on the records, you can see the data type is array. On the records, if you hover on records above, this is record one. See that this
Oh,
is
right.
the array. So you should close the record one and map the array there.
It doesn't have option to map. So Colin, in this case, you should go with the API call instead of this module, because it doesn't allow you to map the data.
Okay.
Can you expand the records? Close the record one there. No, open that. You have a close sign towards the right, right?
Sorry.
Towards the right, you have a close.
She's asking to delete this one, record one. From the right, you have to click on the cross button.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
that
Well,
one.
okay. Wait a sec. Why don't we
But-
let's disable that route. And,
So to do that, Colin, you should use API call, because the module doesn't have map button. To map the data, it doesn't allow you. So you can go with the API call and you can parse your data in that as a JSON.
do I need an iterator or not?
Yes, you will need an iterator to aggregate the data.
Okay, so let's go with,
But instead you will have to use JSON aggregator instead of that, because the data should be in JSON format. This is your app and table ID both. You have copied.
okay, is it still get?
Post. Let me tell you one trick to check what should be the request column. So I'm asking the control of your screen. Give me the control, please. Okay. So here, to see this, we can do Control Shift plus I. Okay. Could you please press Control Shift I
Control
on your
shift,
I?
control shift what?
Yeah, Control I. Control plus Shift plus I. Press that.
Sorry, what? Clone? No,
No.
sorry.
On your keyboard, Control.
Yeah.
I'm writing in the chat.
Oh, sorry. Okay, chat.
Okay. I
Okay,
will
where's
write
the chat?
just a second.
Where's the chat?
Yeah, I'm typing. Actually, I'm taking control on your screen now. That's why I'm not
Yeah.
able to get that.
Chat.
So Control Shift and I.
Oh, Control Shift and I. I'm sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry. So here, can you see on
No,
my
no, no.
screen, or
I can
do I
see,
need to?
but I don't see the control panel. Do you see the network panel on your screen?
Share. Okay, have you got it back? Can you see? I've tried to
No.
share again. Share.
I cannot see that.
Okay. Is it because you took over my screen, or?
Do one thing. Could you please send me the scenario link so I'll show on my screen? I have dev panel. I'll download already.
Sorry, so you, oh, wait a second.
Yeah. Could you drop this? Could you drop this scenario link in the chat?
Oh, yeah. Well, wait a second. Let me just try again, because it might have been some. Okay, can you see it now? Are we back?
Yes.
Okay, so Control Shift I, where is it?
On your keyboard. On your keyboard.
Control Shift I. Okay.
I don't see anything still.
What was I supposed to be touching? Was I supposed to be touching something? Or?
No. Colin, you share me the scenario link. I'll share my screen now.
Okay. Can you? All right. Yeah. Okay. Chat. Where's the chat? Let's get the chat. Chat. Okay. Have you got it? Can you see it in the chat?
Well, wait. Yes, I can.
Okay. And I will stop sharing. And I'll also close this down so that you can see you I'll save it. And
Can you see my screen?
yep.
Guys, first I'm checking like why you are not seeing that map button. Anyways, so here I'm pressing Control, Shift, and I. Do you see any window open in my Make account here in
Yeah.
the below?
Yep.
Yeah. Now I'm clicking on Make. Do you see that?
Yep.
Okay, great. So why this? Oh, it doesn't show my screen now. So I'm running this module. Actually, it is just expanding my screen. I don't know why. So I'm running this module. Oh, doesn't launch.
If you, Aisha, if you just see where the bottom left, there's the arrow in the box, and
What?
so you're trying to control the make, right?
No, this is a Make dev tool. Actually, we can troubleshoot our Make API calls here.
But you have the responsive, that's why it's showing you the screens. So if you want to turn on the responsive, so on the left, see there's the laptop and a mobile icon.
Where? This one?
That one, yes. Yep. So if you turn that off,
Mm.
there you go.
Oh,
So then
okay. Thanks.
no problem.
Okay, so now I'm running this.
Ashia,
Yeah.
yeah, if you map the IDs of table and base, you can map the array as well.
What?
Open the module.
Yes.
Okay. Instead of select from the list, click on enter manually.
Okay.
Okay. The base ID and table ID is
Oh,
mapped.
okay.
Now you can
Okay.
map the array.
Now we can map. Okay, that's fine. Great.
Okay.
But I'm trying to show one thing. Actually, I'm not sure why it is not running. Can I hard code something here for time
Just
being?
one. It's possible I've just run out of operations.
Only one record.
Yeah, just in.
Just
But
just
I don't know if I've used up my operations for the month because I was
it will only use one credit.
okay.
So I'm not running full scenario. I'm just running one module. Okay.
If I've run out of operations, though, it won't work, will it? I might
When
need
you test your scenario, do you run your full scenario, Colin?
sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It depends. But you know what happened, like when I had that, when you helped me with this bulk thing, I used up so many credits, and so I know.
Credits are completed.
Yeah, so I might have to go and top up before we can go any further.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you here. So if I'll do here, once I'll run this, now you see here, this is my request. So in this request, I can see what is the URL. So if I have to make an API call, it doesn't have. I'm showing you in this one, okay? Just for an example. So here you have to make an API call. So this is the URL. So you can copy what URL is being used. You can type here. Then you see what is the method. Then you can select that method here. Here it is post. Then you see what are your headers. So headers are this user agent. You can add your headers here, user agent, and this is this one. And authorization is your API key. So you can enter your API key. API key won't be showing here. So you have to get it from your account. Then you need to paste here. Then the next header is this one. So, and then we are passing query string. So query string should be these things, like caption is in my query. So I will add these as a query string, like these kind of things. So you can pass. And then here is a body. If there is a body, then you can paste, like copy that JSON and paste here. Got it? So the idea is, if you don't know from API documentation how to use that API call, you can use a module similar to that, and you can see how they are using in the backend. And that same things you just need to copy paste in your API calls in the desired field. Method, URL, headers, query string. If query string is empty, then it means it is not passing anything. Then go to body here, and body you can copy paste here. Did you understand what did I say?
Yes and no. That was probably too. I kind of get conceptually, but I would not be able to repeat. I would not be able to repeat that. Can we just
Let
leave
me-
that and can we just leave that and I come back to it another day because
Okay,
I'm
okay.
too
Sure.
I'm too tired to understand that, and I didn't really want. I want to work on. I want to find out about this report, and do I need to do it the same way, or can
Ashi,
I?
you can show the array aggregator method now.
Where is the scenario? So actually, Colin, this what I show is this is the simplest way to use make an API call. If you have doubt from the documentation how to use that, then you can try with a module. Like if you have to go in make an API call instead of this module, then you can run this once and you will see everything in the backend, and then you can just copy paste those things and pass your values and then run that. So like that is to guide you how to use that API call for that particular action. So if you
But will that reduce my operations or not?
no, this is for your time saving. Like if you are struggling with the API to use, you can just run that and copy paste everything from there. This is to reduce your struggle, your suffering.
Yeah, sorry, I'm a bit confused because the only reason I want to change that is if
No. You don't have to change. It's just like I am telling you a way to troubleshoot if your API call is not working. So now you see, like if you will select it, enter manually, you have option to map here. Do you see that?
yes, and what
Yeah.
if I didn't? And
So now
what I
you can, now you do not need to go with API call. You can use this model itself. The structure should be like this: array of collections and collections of array. And then it is like same structure like Google Sheet.
Oh, right. So will this change my operations? Yes or no?
Yes, it will change by 10 times.
But it would, sorry, what?
It will reduce by 10 times.
Right. Okay. Right.
So here you can select and map your array like this.
Not actually this array, you will have to create a separate array with this structure. This array aggregator is for Google Sheet. And the
You can
array
select it here. You can select it here.
Yeah, he also need the Google Sheet as well.
So you can map like that. Okay, you need Google Sheet also, Colin.
At the moment, yes, I want to keep both.
So you can use two modules like this, and instead of this, you can connect like this. Okay.
Okay.
So now here your structure will be this one, Airtable. Now you will map everything here, and then you will be able to map them.
All right, I'll do that tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
Again, to
Very
get the
good.
column IDs, you will have to follow the method Asha specified to get the column IDs. So you can run the create a record module. So at the backend, you will get all the column IDs you can map here.
Okay. All right.
Once your operations are credited, you can run the create a record module once.
So
And
here I'm adding note, Colin. So you have to do Control plus Shift plus I, then go to make, click on request, click on tab request body. There you will get column IDs. Does that work?
Okay. So just is it Control Shift I or Control Shift L?
I. This is I.
Okay. Because that looks like an L.
Yeah.
I for India.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, still if you face issue, you can definitely you can have a call. We'll be checking.
Okay, I'll try that. I'll try that tomorrow. Okay.
like that. And you will get all the things here. So that way is to simplify your struggle, like reduce your struggle with the APIs.
Okay,
Uh,
I can.
Again, one more thing, you can only add 10 records at a time, right? So in the array
Yeah,
aggregator,
that's
you have to
also
do batch of 10. I'll share the code right now. In the array aggregator, you will have the group by option. So you can divide by total number. You can divide total number of bundles by 10. So this will group into bunch of 10. Exactly.
so it's done. Now you can just use it. Okay, does that help?
Okay.
Colin's
well,
lost now.
Yeah, I can't. I'll have to. So I will open 1.1 in the morning, and I will play with that.
So
And
it's all done. You just need to do this step and
Yeah.
paste your column IDs here, and then mapping
Asha,
you
it's
can you
not
already know.
total number of bundle, it's bundle order position.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Also put the seal operation. I mean seal function. Correct.
So the seal is, it will give you the, like, as you can see in the example, if you are having any value in the decimal, it will make it to the next whole number.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
so if there are 55 bundles, then instead of 55, it will, like, in case of 55, the value will be 5.5. So it will make to 6.
Okay.
6
And it'll go
bundles.
around. And it'll go around 6 times. Is that what you're saying?
Yes,
Yeah.
it will go to 6 times. Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll have a look at that in the morning.
Okay.
So with the amount of energy that I still have left, can you
And
Can you-
when you test it, you can test, like, if this is not dependent like aggregator or iterator, then you can run only one module with manual mapping. Sorry.
Yeah, I'll split the scenario so that I can just test whether it works. I don't need to.
Actually, you don't need to split. You will just click on run this module only, and it will ask you to fill data like this. Like, if I will run this, this is asking me to data. So I can just fill my data here and I can click OK. So only this module will run. So
Okay.
how
So
you
there
can
is-
do, if you have to paste data from here, you can open the history and you can copy the data and paste here to test this module. So it will save your operations while testing.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm not. I mean, once I top up, I'm not worried about. I run out of operations because of that that big overload. So that was
Yeah.
just. Hopefully that won't happen again. So I just didn't know. I haven't been watching today, and I knew I should top up today, but I didn't look. So.
Okay.
So can we just have a quick look at the one that I wanted to talk about with the
Which one?
report?
Yeah.
So it was the one that starts with the webhook with the report on the end. So if you look in the SEO folder, SEO template scenario folder.
Okay.
Yep. And if you go down to
This one?
It's sorry, just one more time to the bottom. Slow down. Yeah, so your test version 1.1
This one.
testing. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
my question is,
Hmm.
I needed this because Open Router needed to get the whole sheet, and this
Mm.
was the way to get the whole sheet.
Hmm.
My question is, does Open Router can Open Router look at an Airtable without all of this, or do I need to do something like this for Airtable?
You will have to do something like this. The
Okay, so I'm
JSON
gonna have to.
aggregator.
So
So you can
I'm gonna have to.
use,
Okay.
you can use
So
Airtable module here.
so is there an Airtable get range values? Is or
Check.
search records? Yeah, it could be that.
If this is the one I see. What's the base name?
Scroll down.
Do you know the name?
S1. If you type testing SuperSys, that one there.
Table, this one.
And the bottom one, the bottom one.
XX keywords.
Yeah.
You can just list this. But, oh, sorry. There will be not a range. There won't be any range.
Okay, so
Yeah, won't be any range.
can it see the whole view? Because
Yes.
if it can see the whole view, that'll be great.
Which one is the whole view? I just selected that 6.
Use actually, oh no, the one that's already there, all citations. Leave it as the one it is.
Okay. So what you can do is for the range, you can add a filter. Like once you will have that variable here, you can have a filter with the bundle order position. Bundle order position is starting like if I will add it like this, so it will be greater than. Then you can specify from which rows. Like if there was already 10 and you want to start with 11, then you can add a filter like this.
Right.
Okay.
But
So it will start from that range.
But I don't want Airtable to look at Google Sheets. I want them to be completely separate.
Yeah, like you can start a filter. What I'm trying to say is this. So here you can add this. Okay. So it will start from that one. So it won't look at the past records. It will look from the range you have specified. Range means bundle you have specified. It will be the
Right.
record number.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay. But what about if I wanted it to look at all the records, like not just the new ones? Then
you don't need to add filter. Then you can remove this.
okay.
You can increase the limit. Right now it's 10, right? So
Yeah,
increase.
you need to increase the limit as well. Here. So if there are
Right.
1,000 records, you can limit as 1,000. Like maybe 800, 900, you're not sure, but the approx things, that approx number, then you can add that as much as you need.
And that's going to use up operations, though, isn't it?
No. This is search record. So this will take only one operation to list any number of bundles.
Oh, right. So what's the maximum?
Actually, there is no maximum number. So it will return all.
But can I put 10,000? Can I put 100,000 records, or what's?
Give it a try.
Yeah.
How many have you got?
So there's 100 records per API request, it says, but you can set offset parameter. Okay, so if it doesn't return you more than 100, then you will have to go with the API. And in that API, you will set this offset. Offset is to define your page number. That comes under page initial. So if you will need this, just let us know. So we will tell you with the page initial. Because now if I will tell, then everything will be like confusing for you. Or if we have a video also on pagination. So you see this, we have pagination techniques here. And I guess we have YouTube video as well.
Wow, this is way more complicated than I thought it was going to be.
And he thought it was gonna
Not
be easy.
actually complicated. If you have one video, it will feel easy. But yeah, you can go with this if you need pagination. This is step by step we have explained here. I believe we had a video.
I have a quick question afterwards. So once you're done, like I tried the search records
Okay.
module, but it doesn't seem to work for columns. I'm not sure, but update worksheet row.
Maybe I should get Mr. Bean. That must be the solution. Mr. Bean.
What?
Scroll up to the
Okay.
top. Keep going.
Yeah.
It's there. That's Mr.
This one?
No, the one above. The one with the
Mr.
funny looking face.
Oh.
That one.
Missed the joke. That
It's a
one.
joke.
Okay.
Cover image.
It's
That
a
one.
joke. He's a very silly character, that man. So
Oh
You're
yeah.
like, what?
Yeah. I don't think we have any video on pagination now.
maybe you can look later.
Anyway,
Maybe look later.
yeah. Anyway, you can go to this post if you need it, and rest you can ask.
Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah. All right. So that means I've got to just, yeah. Okay. I'm just going to take a deep breath and come back to that, because
Yeah.
I need to look at that. I need to look at that fresh and make sure I'm thinking clearly.
Yeah. So
yeah.
it's not that difficult. Actually, there is only 1-2 steps remaining. And pagination, if you will need. Otherwise, if it retrieves more than 100 records, then it's fine. If it doesn't, then you need to go with pagination.
Right. Okay. Okay. All right.
And pagination, you will have to try and make an API call.
All right. Tomorrow I will look at that scenario with the report and see how far I get, and I'll put it on a different route so that we can troubleshoot it, because the Google Sheet route looks like it works. So now I will build an Airtable one and see what difference happens, and you can help me from there. Okay.
Sure.
All right. It's late. I'm tired. I'm not staying up to 2 a.m. trying to do this again. Jenish can have the seat and see if he can fix his Excel problem.
Excel, I rather use Google Sheets, but it is what it is. like the Google Sheets API module is really good. So
Yeah, yeah. No, I can understand. I mean, sometimes, I mean, I love using Google Sheets for its simplicity, but for building things for clients, I don't like it. So
yes.
yeah. I'd love to stay on, but I'm really tired and need to go. So I'm going to
Okay.
say good night. Thank
What's
you
the
for
time
having
there,
me.
Colin? It's 11:30, 12 a.m., something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And
It's too
I've
late.
already had too many nights staying up for 2 a.m. trying to get things like this working. So I'm not having another one. Thanks for helping me. I'll look at these scenarios in the morning and practice both the reducing the records on the Airtable route and then I'll
Okay,
come
sure.
back to the
Okay.
reports. So
By the
thank
way,
you guys.
congratulations on winning this August competition.
Oh, did I?
Yes,
didn't
Yeah,
you did.
you did check the post.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I will look at all of this in the morning. Thank you very
You
much.
get 1,000 free operations.
Thanks, guys. Take care.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Have a
Good
great
night.
day.
Okay. You can go to sleep.
Yeah, I'm going to go to sleep. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Cheers, guys. Thanks. Lovely to meet you, Janice. See you again.
Same here, and we'll catch up, I'm pretty sure, on this
Yeah.
calls and other times as well.
Okay. Take care, guys. Bye for
Yeah.
now.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Okay. So I've basically done the update a worksheet row. So what I'm trying to do is do a column. Can I do a column?
The range should start from the row number, from the row,
So-
like A. It should start from the, you can start from the other column as well, like C1, C2, like that.
Because basically what I want is I want to update this.
Okay. Yeah, so
So
range should be from that itself. You go to your scenario. Yeah. So range should be from A1 to C4, like that.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Wait,
if I do,
wait. In this one, it says must be an empty row, otherwise it will overwrite. Okay, this is not like a Google Sheet. Okay. I actually don't use this Excel sheet mostly. I mostly work with Google Sheet, that's why. So
and
in Google Sheet,
that's
it
my
doesn't overwrite.
problem.
Okay. Okay, type of values being entered. This is right. I guess in Google Sheet, if you will pass, then it will override. But if you want pass, then it won't delete. So maybe it also works like that. I didn't work with it. So you can leave the other columns as empty, like item 1. If you do not want to update, you can leave that empty.
Yeah, so the issue is it goes like this. So it's like number of values must fit the range. And if I put A1 to
Oh,
C,
okay. So you have to update in column B or C.
so I want basically just column B.
In column B.
Yes. So I
Okay, go
just
to your
want
sheet.
column. There we go.
Okay, so you can enter from B2 to C to the last.
Yeah, B2 to B50.
To C, B to C, not B to B.
Okay. So B2.
B2 to C. Yeah, C 50.
But that's just a row, right?
No, it will take range to the
Yeah,
column. Actually, if
but
B to
in
B
that
cannot be the one.
range. So
Yeah,
that's
this is only one row. B
yes.
to C. This is only one row.
So, but for me to do a column,
Yeah.
so I need
Yes.
all this.
Yeah, then you should define B2 to C50.
But that won't make sense. So as
No,
a
it
formula.
works like that actually.
Oh, okay.
It works like that. Like B2, it means you are defining the
Okay.
first starting point. Starting
Okay.
point is your column B2. And end
Okay.
is the 50th row. End is
Okay.
the 50th row.
Yeah,
That's
so
why
I'll
you're
just
defining.
test it for just 2, 3, because if not, I'll
Okay.
have to put
Okay.
So B2 is, and then C3, B3, and C4. So 3 values, right?
B2, C3, yes, 3 values.
So if I just run that,
What is the number of rows or columns in the integer doesn't match the size or dimensions of the range? Just open your module, please. Go to down. Okay. Remove the item 3. Now try. Yes, it's again having error. Size or dimensions. Click on this values in the input values. Just test it is going. Okay, try B2 to B4. Now try.
do I need a third item or?
Yeah, you can add B2 to B4. That's why I don't like Excel sheets.
I agree. Like, it's a big problem.
And if there is an array of values, it like we have so much system size or dimension of the array. Oh god. Now again remove one item please and then test. We have to figure out like
Because is there a way, like, you know how the Google Sheets has an API module? Does Excel have similar, or?
you can check there Excel has or not.
Because I tried, because for
Wait, I have
columns,
Excel scenarios opened. Let
like,
me
so
check
that was
out.
what I was trying to use the update an existing table column.
Hmm.
But that's the one that you said that won't work. That's the one I couldn't. And then this arbitrary API calls, I'm not too sure whether that does anything.
Right, let me find a reference for you.
Okay.
Hmm.
Because even their help is useless.
Okay, you were checking here. Does it has any help?
No, it just, this is what it
Yeah,
is.
it
It's like,
doesn't have.
like this is what it does, but how?
Mm, I have a reference. Okay, cell value change testing. I have a reference, but it is with make and API.
Okay, so even I'm happy to do like an API call if.
Okay, another one also I found. You're using update a worksheet row, right?
That's what you told me just now. So update a
Yeah.
worksheet row
So open this
and
now. Open this now. Now module. Open that
Okay.
module. Enter manually, and we have select from the list. Okay, you add select from the list.
This one.
No, in the first one. In the first, yes,
Yeah, but that's
from the
just for
list,
the.
yes, yes, select. Based on this option, actually, the settings of the module changes.
Okay.
And this is in the drive is correct location.
Okay. Yeah, I can.
Okay, now select the workbook. Go down. Now select the row ID.
Wait, this
Okay.
will
Yes,
only.
now pass. Only the response. Now pass only the response.
Yeah, but this is only just one row at a time.
You want to do bulk row?
Yes, I want to basically because I want to do the whole column. So what I'm trying to do is so when someone fills out the form in Tally,
Okay.
uh,
I understood. Actually, that model is not working because that is not for bulk rows.
so which module would I use in that case?
I need something. This is achieved through the create table row API. Create table row APIs. I found something. Yeah, so there are actually arrays to pass.
So does this need?
Give me the control, please.
Sure.
Okay. one you are testing, that is a test sheet.
Sorry?
This sheet is a test sheet.
Yeah, so this is a test sheet. So
So I can make like a from range A also I can select, right?
yeah, so you can go for it, like not an issue. Like I think the issue is because it's looking for row values, it does not like 2 or 4. It should be A1, B1, or
The number of rows, columns.
so that's the site ID.
What is the name of this?
So you want the workbook ID or
Yeah, workbook name or path.
so the workbook name is at the top, DD response template. So
And
that's
what is
the
the
drive ID. So if you go to that, so choose your OneDrive location. So instead of my drive,
file ID?
so go back. That's the workbook ID. But instead of your OneDrive location, see the second one.
Worksheet is
No, so go. Can I just give me a sec?
DD part 1.
So just give me a sec. Wait,
You want to
wait.
do something?
Yeah, so it won't work.
Why?
This one. So it
Okay.
will be. That's why.
Sites 5.
And
Okay,
then,
site ID.
yeah. Do you want? I'll just copy across.
In Excel, as far as I know, it should accept the values as an array to update multiple values. And in any API, it works like that. If you have to operate bulk operations, then it should have some array.
Yes. So like I'm happy to do an API call as well. So whichever lets me.
You have DevTool downloaded?
Sorry,
You have DevTool downloaded?
I haven't got the dev tool. No.
Then,
I was going to ask how to download the dev tools, or is that
you can download that from the Chrome. That's an extension.
okay? Now I'm using Microsoft Edge because it's an Excel, so it's a Microsoft thing. So my account's linked to the Edge browser. But yeah, if you
Far
like,
more complex.
if you want to discuss it later on, I'm fine with that. It doesn't need to be solved right now there's like the make API call at the very bottom.
Hmm.
So if you go again, open up the Microsoft Excel.
This one?
No, so I'll just give me a sec, I'll show you. So there is this
Hmm.
module. So
Wait.
put change that-
There's this one module. Wait. This
Okay.
one. Pattern,
I'll
update
let you
it
go for
table.
it.
Okay. Where is that? I just saw that one.
So scroll down, update a table.
Yeah, this one. Let me see if this has the option to bulk. It should have actually. You have drive ID copied, right? Can you paste it here?
Yes, I can copy paste it.
I guess you already have copied last time.
So there was that one. ID. Because in Excel, they don't let you know, copy the same ID in the URL. And that's table one. So my issue was, where do I put the value?
This update table and here also don't have any.
I'll find it.
Okay, this is not also the one. We have other members in team that has worked with it.
Sure, you can ask them. Like as I said,
Wait a
you can
second.
ask them going, and like I've already
Let's
given you
see
guys
it.
access to this as well. Because I think the worksheet row will definitely just do a row. I don't think.
No, it worked. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yeah, but it's only done like
this is only for one module actually.
yeah.
And it won't work for, but it should work for that as well.
Because I think
Just a second, just a second. Did we try
yeah,
B2
you
to
can try.
B4?
I did.
Oh, then it won't work.
Yes, so because I think this is like the updated Google Sheet row, and it only does rows.
Hmm.
So
Yeah. That's why it could not be control
yeah,
error.
the joys of Excel.
Okay, so it means we have to go with API only.
Yeah, so if you can ask your colleagues, that's fine. Like I've put this in the school community post as a question, and I've also given you guys access to, so the user is there as well.
Okay.
So you guys should have access to it. Yeah, Shirin was able to.
Yeah, we
change
have
the
access.
Oh, okay, okay. I got something. Batch. Oh no,
Okay,
no,
let's
no.
go back.
Actually, I got a reference. Ah, I got a reference actually. Yes, I got. Yes, batch update consecutive worksheet rows. Is there a module like that? Batch update. Do you search that?
I don't think there is a batch update. Like this is all the
Just
MS
check it, please.
Excel.
Search for batch. Oh, there is a module actually.
The
I can
module.
see this module. Microsoft 365 Excel v2.0. It is in that one. You search for the another app. Here I'm searching for another app.
Okay, I'll let you.
Just a second. Shirin,
Yeah.
is that our custom app?
Yes, yes. Batch update we have in our custom app.
Oh, but I don't see it on our website. Okay, that's why that is 2.0 actually. That's our custom app, Janish. But what we can do is, based on our custom app, we can find API. Yes, we can find API for that. Okay, Janish,
I'll
we'll check with
let
the
you guys
team.
go.
Yeah, we'll check with the team for the batch API. So we can
Okay.
give you that one.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay. All good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Okay. Sorry for
And
that we could not help you right now.
no. Yeah, even like
Yeah.
now I feel
Actually,
good that at least
seriously, I don't work with Microsoft. I feel more comfortable with Google Sheets. And Microsoft is like, it takes more time. Anything, not only Excel, in anything. Whatever we have,
yes.
it always is stuck somewhere. And even with the
Yes.
simple manual process also, it's like there is a lot of efforts. Like one client was adding their connection for the Outlook, and it cost them 2 to 3 hours to set up everything, because it was, even we have the account, it says you do not have any account with that email. So I was like that.
Yes.
So I don't like Microsoft products, whatever we sign, it says you don't have any account.
Yeah. I totally understand. But this is where the client, most business users have Microsoft.
Yeah, because
And
it's more secure
yes.
than
So
Google.
then I have less choice.
Yeah. But
yeah, if
it
you guys
doesn't
can.
like we don't have solution. We have solution. It's just I am not aware of that. I'll ask with the team and I'll get it back to you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, but this is a good thing to upload in school.
Yes.
Thank you for the idea. Okay.
It's
Bye.
something we all can learn. Thank you. Have a good
Okay.
night.
Bye bye,
Good.
Janish.
So
Have a
it's
good
your
day.
evening
And
or
nice to
morning?
meet you both.
It's your morning time or evening time?
10 evening.
Oh, it's late.
So
Yeah.
I'm going to bed now. I
Yeah.
think you guys should be finished with work as well, yes? or they make you
Yeah.
work overtime?
No, actually, our work usually everyone close from now on 1.5 hours ago, but mine is
Okay.
till 8. Now it is 7:48.
Okay.
So I work
No problem.
from 11 to 8. Others work from 9 to 6.
Okay. Nah.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll
Okay,
see you
bye.
guys next time. See
Okay,
you.
have a good
Bye.
sleep. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.